Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about Lumen5 AI video generator. So it's actually a tutorial for beginners, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how it works. So I have Lumen5 open right here. And once when you sign in or sign up, I'm going to skip that part because it's something very easy and you can do it on your own. So once when you sign in or sign up, you will be here and you have to select one out of all these. You can go with this one, create videos consistently for a brand. And once when you click it, you'll be sent here. And you can see that there are a lot of options right here. And there are a lot of templates here. You can see all these templates that they have. And these are the templates that we're going to use for the video. So you can see if you go with this template, they are going to give you a lot of formats, which are 16:9, 1:1, 9:16. And these are for the mobiles, the vertical templates. But we're going to go with the horizontal one because with templates, it's much more easier. Let me just write it and I'll get back to you. So here you go, guys. I've written the script. And I have, written the idea, and I'm going to click compose script. So you see, they have written the script for me. I just told them the basic idea, and they have written an entire script for me through AI. The interesting and the funny thing about the script is I have actually written against AI, how AI is going to take the jobs of people and how dangerous and a potential threat it can be for mankind. And ironically, the script is written by AI itself. So it's kind of funny moving forward. So yes, this is the script. AI wrote the complete script for me. Yeah, and you can do the same. You don't have to write an entire script. You can also use ChatGPT if you want, but AI option is available here with Lumen5. So I'm going to convert to video. And you see how beautifully it is going to transform it into a video. There you go. It used my template, which I chose, and it created all this into a beautiful video. I'm going to say you've done pretty well later. So the entire script has been transformed into a video, and we can preview each video as well if we want. If I click here, so you see they have done everything. They have used a background music for me and they have set the duration. However, let me just tell you that we can also do changes here. Like if we want to swap design, we can click on swap scene design and we can change the design as well. The way we like. There are a lot of designs here that we can swap. Apart from that, we can also click on shuffle colors and it is going to change the color of this entire slide. So this is another feature that we can use. We can also change the durations of the slide. And if we come here, we can see that there are a lot of things that we can use. For example, if I want to change this background image and if I want to use an image which I like and I believe it might be better, I'm going to click here and it's going to change it. You see? It's changed the image right here. So it's as easy as it is. We can trim the image, we can crop the image, we can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness, and we can, click on AI suggested media. So AI is then going to choose an image based on the content right here. So coming down, we have a lot of GIFs as well that we can use, and GIF or GIF, whatever you want to call it. And we can also upload a media of our own. And if we come here, there are icons available that we can use. All the icons are free. They are not, all the icons are premium. They're not free. So we're going to have to use the premium version to get these icons. We can also upload icons here, simple PNG images. We can also do that. Coming down here, we can upload a voice as well. If we want, a voiceover for these written script, Then we can also add a voiceover, and it will give a much more professional look. We can get, AI generated voiceovers easily on the internet. But the problem with AI generated voice note is they are very, I would say, not original or not genuine, and they feel like plastic. By plastic, I mean not real, fake. That's what I meant. So moving on, we can also add music to the slide or to the entire video. And coming down, we can also upload our own music, by the way, if we have. We can also change the style. There are different colors to choose from. Let me just select one color. You see, that's how you change or select it. You see, it's as easy as it is. Nothing difficult. We can also change the fonts and select a font of our own. And format. We can also change the format of these slides. Like if I want this video to run on mobile, then I'm going to click vertical. If I want it to run on mobile as well as, laptops or iPads, then I'm going to click on landscape. We can also, you have this format of a story format. Like if we want to upload it as a story, so, it will be much more convenient this way. So it's as easy as it is. So after we have done all this, what we can do is we can click on preview and view the entire video and see how it goes. You see, that's how easy it is. You can make a video like this in just a few seconds just a few minutes, and upload it wherever you want to. So once when we're done, we're going to click publish, and the video is going to be published, and then we can download the video. So it was as easy as it is. It might take some time in publishing, but once when you have done it, you can, download it or send the link to anyone that you want to see. So that was it. This is our account, by the way. All these informations are very important. Workspaces, team, spellings, if you want any premium feature or account settings or even log out. So this was it. I hope you found the video interesting. Please do subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.